natin with Ichem and of course the Philippine Champs. And of course, sana po tuloy-tuloy lang po ang pagsuporta nyo kay Ichemin as an actor and of course as a person. And please continue to support his works very well. I hope that you had a great time tonight. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Yes! Ibagaon niyo ba itong magagandang alaala na ito? Yes! Perfect. And of course, Chamin, please give them your final greeting.
오늘 마닐라 챔프와 함께한 시간 정말 제 삶에 있어서 손꼽을 만큼 행복한 날이었고요.
Well, the time I spent with my Manila Champ today was really one of the best days that I can basically pick amongst my life.
여러분들의 사랑과 관심에 걸맞는 그런 보답할 수 있는 멋진 배우가 되도록 끊임없이 노력하겠습니다. 사랑합니다.
I will try my best to be the best actor myself to repay all the love and support. So thank you so much and I love you all.